In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet link on laptop. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser. So for me, it's going to be Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to Google. And then what you want to do is type in Google Meet. So type in Google Meet, and then you want to press enter. And then once you've done that, you want to click over here to where it says meet.google.com. You want to click it. And then in here, once you're logged in to your Google account, as you can see, I'm logged in already. What you want to do is click over here where it says new meeting, and then click create a meeting for later. Okay, you want to press this, and then it will instantly give you a Google Meet link. Now you want to copy this link, and as you can see, it says copied meeting link, and you can send this to anyone you like. And when you want to start the meeting, you simply want to paste this up here, press enter, and as you can see, your meeting will get ready and it will start. So that's how you create a Google Meet link on laptop.